Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun DIY that I want to share with you all. I've been really loving the tassel earring trend that's been going on for a while, but all the ones that I've seen in stores have always been over $20 and I've just never really wanted to pay that much for a pair of earrings. So when I looked at them, I thought I could totally just make that for a lot cheaper. So that's what this video is. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different types of tassel earrings. I'm in love with how they turned out. They're so cute and so easy to make, and like a third of the price you would pay to buy them in the store. So if you are interested in to see how I made these earrings, then keep watching. Okay, so this first pair of earrings are this layered tassel earrings, and I just went to a craft store and found some earring backings to use for this. And then you also need tassels, and you can totally make these just with embroidery thread from a craft store, but I actually bought these from an Etsy shop that I will link down below. The lady sells a bunch of different colors, and it was just way easier for me to do it this way, and a really good price too. So I got a bunch of colors, and to make these earrings I'm just laying them out in the color combination that I want, and it's super simple to make these. You just take a needle and some thread, and starting from the top, you're just going to thread your needle through the first tassel and pull the string all the way through, and then thread it through your second tassel. And then you're going to pull that bottom tassel and kind of situate it inside the first tassel, and pull your string super tight, and just to make sure that there's a good hold on it, I like going back through both of them again, starting from the bottom. And then once you pull your string from the top of your tassels, I just tie a couple of knots up at the top just to make sure the tassels are nice and secure. And you can cut your string, and I'm going to do the exact same thing with the second set of tassels. Okay, so now it's time to attach the actual earring bit on it. So you're going to need some earring backings and some jump rings for this. And so just open a jump ring, put it through the tassel, and then add your earring onto the jump ring, and then you're just going to close the jump ring back up with some pliers. And that's it. It's super simple. So I'm just going to do the second one really fast, and your earrings are made. Okay, the second type of tassel earrings I made are these hoop tassel earrings. So I just found these little hoops from Hobby Lobby. It's honestly the only craft store I could find them at. They may be at other ones, but I found these at Hobby Lobby. They're just these cute little teardrop hoops, and I wanted these to be black, so I just bought some black embroidery thread, and I'm just going to cut a bunch of pieces into, it doesn't really matter the length at the beginning because you can always trim it down, but I just formed 3 pieces of embroidery thread per section, and as you can see here, I'm just going to loop them through the metal earring and pull the embroidery thread through so it makes this little tassel fringe at the bottom. And I'm going to do this 5 times per earring. You can do more if you want, but I just kind of liked 5. So I have 3 strands of embroidery thread per tassel, and I'm doing 5 tassels on each loop. And obviously you can trim it off because not all the pieces are going to be exactly the same size, so just kind of trim it to make it look pretty. So here's my second one. This one's super easy, but I love how this one turned out as well. And you're going to attach the earring bit the exact same way you did the first one. Just open a jump ring, put that through the top, and then add your earring back. And I will link these little teardrop hoops down below as well, so if you want to use these same ones, you can. I got them at Hobby Lobby. And that's it. They're so cute. I love them.
So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to
thumbs down if you did.
No, don't thumbs it down. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cool DIYs like this or other fun videos. Be sure to make yourself a pair of earrings, or 2 or 3. They're super fun to make, and I'm obsessed with them. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!